In the previous course, we referred to print and input as commands. Formally though, they are actually known in Python as functions. Functions are code which someone else has written, which has been packaged up for you, and that you can use in your own code. You can think of a function as a very helpful person who does things for you. Here is a function shown as a helpful person. And just like people, functions have names. So this person's name here is print, which is the name of the function that we also know. So let's call it print from now on. In Python, you can tell when functions are being used when you see their name followed by a pair of round brackets. So you may remember when we used print earlier, we always followed it with some brackets. So print is a function which will display some text for you on the screen. So imagine here, this is your program, and you would like the function print to do some work for you. But in order for print to display the text on the screen, the print function needs some information from your program. Your program needs to tell the print function what text to display. The information that your program needs to provide to a function in order for it to work correctly is called the argument for that function. So in this case, hello world is the argument that we give to the print function. And in Python, you provide the arguments to the function by inserting them between the round brackets. So that's why we had always put whatever we wanted to display inside the brackets, because that is the argument that your program gives to the print function. And when your program uses a function and provides arguments to it, this is called calling the function. Print is now ready to accept the arguments from your program and do its work. It takes the arguments that it needs from your program, and it uses that to do its work, which in this case is to display whatever arguments you gave it onto the screen. So once the function is finished, it may return back to your program any extra information that it has. In this case, print doesn't give anything back to your program. It just displays the text on your screen, and its job is done. And your program can now continue on its way and do the next line of code.